days. Some would say that it might be too much, but it's really hard to assess since it's just acknowledgement receipts that we have. Tama po ba, ma'am?
Tama po, Mr. Chair.
So, going to the line of questioning po, sa first quarter ng 2023 naman po, ma'am, magkano po ang nagastos for rental expenses?
For the first quarter, 16 million din po, Mr. Chair.
Pareho po?
Yes, Mr. Chair.
Ano pong duration naman siya ginamit?
It's February 6 to March 29 po ang nasa accomplishment report nila.
So, matotal po, ilang araw po yun?
56 days po.
56? Or more or less, no? Nasa
More or
mga
less.
50-something days. As to
53.
compared to 11 days back in the fourth quarter. Tama po ba, ma'am?
Yes, Mr. Chair.
Yun kasi parang, actually ma'am, yun lang po yung na-notice ko, na parang with the same amount, but with a different number of days. So, I understand na parang, yun po ba hindi suspicious sa inyo or regular naman po kaya yun sa tingin nyo?
Well, personally, I find it medyo steep po siya, considering na 11 days lang po. But,
Hindi, yes ma'am, pero nung sumunod na quarter, parang mas humaba na. Napagkasya naman yung same amount na sinasabi nyo po, di ba?
yes, Mr. Chair.
So do we both agree na parang mas mura yata yung pagkakagastos nung sumunod na quarter?
Yes, Mr. Chair, considering mas mahaba.
Mathematics lang eh, no? 11 days versus 53 days. Nung kayo po kayang second quarter naman nung 2023, ma'am, magkakano po ang nagamit?
16 million din po, Mr. Chair.
So it's the same amount every quarter. Tama po, ma'am? At least for the fourth quarter of 2022, for the first quarter of 2023, and for the quarter 2 of 2023, it's all the same amount po, ma'am?
Yes, Mr. Chair.
And may you repeat again the amount po?
16 million po, Mr. Chair.
Dito naman po sa second quarter ng 2023, gaano po naman katagal ginamit?
66 days, Mr. Chair.
66, ma'am.
Yes, Mr.
So
Chair.
mas humaba.
Yes, Mr.
Ma'am, if you may repeat
67
nga,
days.
medyo nalilito ako, maraming numero. Yung yung quarter 4 ng 2022, for 16 million, ilang pong araw ginamit?
For 2022, 11 days po.
11 days. So, nung quarter 1 naman ng 2023, makikita dito, ilang araw po ulit, ma'am?
53 days.
53 days.
Opo.
So, with the same amount, mas marami ng araw ang paggamit.
Yes, Mr.
Nung
Chair.
sa quarter 2 of 2023, with the same amount of 16 million, ilang araw naman po ginamit? 66 ang sabi niyo po?
67 po, based on computation ng...
67 days.
Opo, Mr.
So
Chair.
having said that, ma'am, sa personal po ninyong opinion, being an attorney and 2 years in the audit department of the Commission on Audit, hindi po, regular po ba yung ganon na same amount but different number of days?
Well, personally po, medyo steep nga po yung lalo na po yung sa 2022 since 11 days lang po siya.
Na 16 million for 11
Yes.
days.
Compared po dun sa 2023 na almost parang...
Ma'am, ano po bang basihan nyo dito sa lahat ito? Bukod po sa acknowledgement receipt, meron po ba kayong breakdown na itong mga paggamit ng pondo na to?
Yung nasa